Hello everyone. So we are looking at the latest match from MEP versus D2 college player. And I said in the comments and in the match summary that I think D2 might have made a tactical mistake in the second set. And I got a comment here to go a little deeper, and I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you a little bit the site, because it's still in beta testing, and it's working, but it's not super friendly, especially when you're at the first time. So if you follow the link, we'll get to the page where you can do either here you can see the statistics, or you can do a point-by-point play. And so we're just going to open both in a separate tab so I can walk you through. And we're going to start with the statistics here. And you can also drill into specific sets, so first set, second set. Otherwise you'll see all the statistics for the entire match, and those should be pretty self-explanatory here. So we have D2 net points. So he won 12 out of 28 points at the net, and if you see in the first set he won only 2 out of 9, and then in the second set got a little better, 10 out of 19, so slightly more than half. Ideally you want to win like 2/3 of the points at the net. So if we look at the details by shot type, you'll see that the net points, they are made up from either volleys and overheads hit by D2, and in this case he won 5, he missed 5, so came out flat. Overheads he did well, he won 4, only missed 1. And then MEP defending the net play with lobs, which he's a real specialist, but in this case he won 4, missed 3, so with a difference of 1. But then the forehand passing shots, you see that he won all 6 forehand passing shots, which we can now look into more details. So for that we go back into the play-by-play, and basically it shows you the video, but you can also filter by any of the points, and so that needs a little bit of explanation, because it's not everything is super self-explanatory. So we have player A, which is MEP, player B is D2, and then we see every single point of the match as it played out, and we can filter by that. So we can filter by set, by a particular game, by a particular score, by the type of points. So BP is break point, GP is game point, we have match point, set point, PP is a pressure point, which is 1 point away from a break point. Then we can select a specific server or a player, and so the way it works is we only keep track of the outcome of the last point, and that player who won or lost the last point is going to be selected. So for example, in this first point, player B, which is our D2 player, player B hit a W, is a winner. So unforced UFE, unforced error, FE is a forced error, W is a winner. So player B hit a winner. The shot was an L, which is a lob, and all these shots match what you see here. So S is a serve, return is a little special, but forehand is an F, backhand is a B, volley is a V, overhead is uppercase O, drop shot is a D, lob is uppercase L. Forehand passing shot is FP, and backhand passing shot is BP. You might have seen those abbreviations before. This is actually, I got that from Notwilk, who used this system, and I really like the simplicity of it. Then the length is basically the rally length, how many shots back and forth. So in this case, so he hit a lob on the 8th shot. On the serve, since player A served, it was a first serve. And then the winner finally of that point is player B, because he hit a winner. And player A, so MEP was at the net, and that's basically how it works. So now if we wanted to drill in on the forehand passing shots that MEP made. So for that, we can we basically select MEP, which is player A. We select the shot, and which is FP, and then you'll see 6 shots, 6 points, and player A, MEP, he won all 6 points. So now we can actually look into those. So let's play the first point. Not a bad passing shot, but not good enough, because as you know, MEP, he can hit amazing passing shots, especially on the forehand side. So we'll continue. Second point, second serve. Drop shot. Not bad, but he expected it. So there was a forehand passing shot. Second serve. Drop shot. Easy passing shot. So it didn't come to the net on his own turn, but he was at the net, so it counts as a forehand passing shot. Okay, this should have been a backhand. And MEP runs around, hits a forehand. So that tells you something about he's very comfortable hitting forehand passing shots, and probably not too comfortable hitting backhand passing shots. Very nice. Yep. Decent approach, but look at that. MEP hits it on the run. He's in the air as he hits the shot with both feet. And then as the ball comes down the line, he guides it in with his arms. Can win. So I guess the lesson here is don't approach MEP on his forehand side, because he loves to hit passing shots. Go backhand, or approach on his backhand side, or have a really tough forehand passing shot for you. So hopefully this was helpful. Have a good one.